Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use bookmark option in Microsoft Word. So click on start button to open the program window of Microsoft Word from the start menu. Go to start button, scroll right, and here is the program window of Microsoft Word. So before going to the main objective of this lesson, we have some paragraphs or one or multiple paragraphs. I'm going to use a built-in function for this purpose. So type is equal to rand 2 paragraphs comma 2 sentences or lines. Here you can see I have generated 2 random paragraphs for practical. So I'm going to use the bookmark from the insert tab. So for using bookmark option, we have to select some text and will bookmark of the text. So from here I'm going to select some random text from here. You can see I have selected this phrase, selected text. So go to insert tab, and from insert tab I have to access the links. You can see 3 options over here, but I have to use the bookmarks option. Bookmark option from here. Click on pop-up menu or dialog box of the bookmark. Here you have to test and click on add. Now we have successfully added a bookmark. This text, selected text, this text I have bookmarked this text. So bookmark text, I will go to the same location from insert tab and links. Click on bookmark. It will show you the bookmark dialog box. From here I have to click on go. You can see I read the bookmark text successfully. So this was the lesson for today, and thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to get back to you.